Assalamu alaikum, welcome everyone. It's wonderful to see you again. So, today we are going to talk about family. So, just pronounce the word that how many people are in your family. Just speak. For example, 3 members, 4 members, 5 members, or 7 members. So, further we going forward. So, just a quick review of previous lecture. Just you will say your name, your city, your nationality. So just speak once. My name is Ahmed. I'm from Pakistan. I live in Lahore. My nationality is Pakistani and I speak Urdu and English. So further, I'm going to tell you that this week is also about you, your family, your job, your daily life. So everyone has a family. So everyone has something to say. So your goal today is to talk about your family for 30 to 45 seconds. So first of all, find a photo that it is in your mobile. So just hold it up, for example, that front of me, like my mother picture. So how would I say, this is my mother? When I'm going to introduce you someone, such as you already learned that you have to say, this is. So, this is my mother. So, today you will name family members, use my, your, his, her, say, I have, and this is my. Talk about your family for 30 to 45 seconds. So, let's learn the words. Your parents are your mother and father. Your grandparents are your grandfather and grandmother. Informally, to your parents, in English, we say mom and dad, your brother and sister, or your siblings. So, if you are married, you have a husband, a man, or a wife, a woman. Your children are your son and daughter. So, together we say children, your grandmother is your mom's or dad's mother. So, in native language, they often say grandma, and to grandfather, they often say grandpa. Here are two things, such as that we use the term nani, dadi. So English has specific these words. So like chachu, mamu. When you are showing your relation from your mother side, you will use the word maternal. For example, you want to say naniama, so you will say maternal grandmother. You want to say hala, maternal aunt. You want to say mamu, maternal uncle. So on the other side, when you are referring a relation to your father, so dada, you will say paternal grandfather, dadi, paternal grandmother, chachu, paternal uncle, popo, paternal aunt. So this is in English. So family words you need to repeat. This is for those who don't know the words, who can't speak. They are just beginner. They are just learning a new language like son, daughter, husband, wife, children. So husband is a married man. Wife is a married woman. Children, they are sons or daughters. So this is a family tree. First grandmother and grandfather, after father and mother, and after brother, me, sister, and brother. So this is my family. Can you make yours? If so, then you need to draw. This is a family tree. So small words like my, your, his, her, er. So my is equal to me. Okay. So normally my, we use this for possession. Me, such as I also told you about in previous lecture, me is an objective case and it comes usually at last. Your is equal to you. His, his is spoken for a man. Her is spoken for a woman. And is spoken for us. So this is my mother. This is his sister. Okay, this is a separate sentence because when definitely you are going to talk about mother, you will say her sister. Okay, so this is her father. So the thrice are different sentences that I have written here. So if you have a thing or something that you possess, so or if you have to introduce yourself and also you have to say about your brother or sister, so you would say like this: I have one brother, I have one sister, I have a big family. Okay, so what you have, you will explain. Have means कि आपके पास क्या है. And on the other side, this is my father, this is my mother, and her name is Aisha. His is used for male and her is used for female. So now you have to give me an answer. Do you have brothers or sisters? So when you will give answer, you will say, yes, I have one brother and one sister. So if you have don't, so you will say, I don't have. So now this is a small introduction that each one of you will give to me, or he can give by himself. You just have to speak and you have to make it perfect. I'm going to give you just an example. Like, my name is Ahmed, and today I'm going to introduce my family. There are 6 members in my family: my grandparents, my parents, and my one brother and 2 sisters. So my father runs a travel agency and my mother is a housewife. My younger brother just has completed his degree and looking for a job, whereas my sister works in a software house. So this is a small introduction. So like this, you also have to introduce of yours. So now we come on to the pronunciation. So the. You have to keep your tongue between your teeth softly. You have to just try to pronounce the mother, father, brother, grandmother. So like this, you will make practice. So your turn to describe your family. So you can say, I have a small family. I have one brother and one sister, or 2 brothers or 2 sisters. My father is a teacher, or my mother is a housewife. So this is and when you are going to introduce your father, so you will say, this is my father, a retired engineer. So this is for your practice. What would you make after the class or after the lecture? So here you have to draw a family tree on your paper and after you will explain. So this is a small quiz that you have to do. You will stop here and you will solve this. This is a Ali dash mother. what will come here? His or her? This is a Sarah. Sarah is a female. So what next? His or her? My mother's mother is my, what you have relation to your mother's mother. And at last, a married woman is, it's mean what it is called. So here that some students make mistake, like you don't have to say this is Ali, her mother, but this is Ali, his mother, because Ali is a boy, he's a male, and you will represent his. Number two, this is Sarah, his brother. So you have to say this is Sarah, her brother, because it is female and you will represent her. I have a sister. She name is no. Her name is, because she's a female. So his for a man, her for a woman. So if you're making mistakes, so don't be shy, don't be nervous. Mistakes help us learn. So this is a fluency challenge that you will give to your own self. First, you will explain your family in 30 seconds. After the second round, you will explain yourself when you will be better in 30 seconds. Then you will go on to the round two on 45 seconds. And when you will do it very good, after you will move on to the round three, that 60 seconds. And it can, uh, but it will be help you more that if each round you add one more sentence. So today, I think you are able that you can name your family members. You can use my, your, his, her, and you can say, I have, this is my, and I'm sure that you will be more able to say your family introduction in 45 to 60 seconds. So for homework, prepare 5 sentences about your family to say from memory next class. Practice the words. And if you like, draw your family tree with English labels. So it's wonderful work today. Now you can talk about your family in English. Next class, we will talk about jobs. Thank you for your hard work. See you next time. Goodbye.